What's going on, guys? It's Mark Fernandez here with another video. Guys, it's a perfect day for editing, so I've got the voiceover going today. It's not going to go for long, so I just want to give you a little bit of an update and then we are going to get straight into today's video. You'll notice in today's video that my hands and my fingers are working perfectly. Now, you're probably thinking that's great, they do normally, but unfortunately I've broken part of my finger on my right hand. It's kind of slowed down my work on my projects a little bit because, there's obviously a lot of things that you have to go through. I don't need surgery, thankfully, but it does take a little bit of time because I have to make sure I'm doing the rehab work on it and going and seeing therapists and stuff. So there's a little bit of work to do on that, which is taking up a little bit of my time, but we will get through it. And I'm just starting now to get back into looking at my bike and my car as well, so we can do a little bit of work on that. So guys, I went out and I bought some motorcycle gear. I've been riding around in that for a couple of weeks now, so I kind of know what I'm talking about in regards to the stuff that I bought. So I've had a chance to try it out for a period of time, and so that's a video that will be coming up very shortly. So guys, today, what are we doing? Well, we've got a luggage rack that needs to be taken off, and we've also got some loops. I think that they're probably for tying down, something to do with the luggage rack, I assume, but they need to go because they look hideous. So that's today's job, and also giving the bike its first wash ever since bringing it home from the dealership. So it had a little bit of rubbish on it just from sitting around for a long time, so it'll be very satisfying to give it a good clean up. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe. And I'm going to let the videos just do the talking for me. So I'll see you guys in the next one.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the lead. Oh, getting caught in the maze, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light. Baby, cause we're dynamite, ain't nobody different time, yeah, we're of a different breed. Cause what we got is timeless, we supersede. And we hold in the key, yeah, we're tied